my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then when I got back and told my stupid heart, too late, already on my way. If you hold down your friends, I'll get man you up in my stupid heart. Okay.
Super special experience to be able to give them the opportunity to sail. We play games here in the mornings. We play some games that are very sailing related but fun. And then every day we go sailing twice a day, and we teach them varying theory. So they learn how to sail and have fun here.
My stupid heart.